There's a Mac, we open terminal and oops, the hostname isn't the one we want. We have some strange number for our Mac hostname. We need to change that because it doesn't look right. Probably we need to customize that, so we need to change that. Let's enter sudo scutil _set hostname. H and M should be uppercases, space and the hostname you want. For example, I like this one, so enter password, hit enter, and here basically it's gonna take the change until you exit the terminal. So let's exit the terminal, close this window and open terminal one more time. Then you'll notice that you have the new host name, which is pretty cool and looks much better. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.